El profesor, el profesor. So what are you trying to do, Bhatte?
Me, I'm trying to experiment with my looks.
Okay,
By the way,
okay.
इसमें कोई power नहीं है.
हाँ.
So I just because you know the money heist, the craze is on. So I thought of trying a new look. I could not be Arturo. I'm not as good looking as Arturo. So
Definitely.
yeah, the one even by the professor is very. You should see at the movies. I suggest you one movie. I forgot the name of the Spanish.
Mirage.
Mirage, not Mirage.
I think.
Where the TV where the
Yeah, it's
where the
Mirage.
time-
It's Mirage.
That's Mirage, right? Yeah.
Yeah, you told me about that before.
Acha, yeah. So that's it. So, but yeah, I could only get the glasses. So tell in the comments if I know I don't want to sound like a cartoon and say I look at the professor. I don't. But it's just an experiment. I know it's a failure. I don't who cares. It's just something I want to do. So it's in a way, Sanket, if you look at it, it's a risk I'm taking.
Yes,
it's a
sir.
it's a risk I'm taking. So ये risk का खून risk
सब में नहीं
का
होता ये.
ability-
सब में नहीं होता.
सब में नहीं होता और कुछ रीजन्स में ज़्यादा नहीं होता. एक तो यार आज जो मेरे बाल है मैंने मैक्सिमम गंदे हैं. मैं ये बात
तू-
notice
तू-
कर रहा हूँ अभी.
देख भाई, तेरा
हाँ, मैं
बेंचमार्क
काटूंगा.
इतना लो है. तेरा बेंचमार्क इतना लो है, कोई फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता.
नहीं मैं जाके काटूंगा. तो हाँ, तो आज तो प्लीज टॉक अबाउट द टॉपिक एंड व्हाई डिड वी गिव दिस risk example. And also by the way I still look very good. So
Oh,
don't
for sure.
judge my looks now. Yeah.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ब्रो, तेरे को पता है मेरे साथ क्या सीन हुआ है. एंड उस सीन के बाद मेरे को इस टॉपिक के बारे में तो बात करने का मन ही नहीं कर रहा है. बट
बोल देना क्या सीन हुआ है. क्या
नहीं, छोड़.
फॉर यू डिटेल्स मत बोल. नहीं डिटेल्स मत बोल.
हाँ.
बस उसका मैं बोलता हूँ डिटेल्स पे जाऊंगा नहीं. बेचारे का अभी शूटिंग के टाइम पे
हाँ.
एक उसका दिल्ली का ट्रिप है.
हाँ.
दिल्ली का ट्रिप वो जा रहा था टू मीट हिज फ्रेंड आफ्टर हाउ मेनी इयर्स 3 इयर्स.
हाँ, ऑलमोस्ट 3 years.
हाँ वो ड्यू टू व्हाटएवर रीजन वो
हाँ.
कब से प्लान था
रिसेंट जल्दी अभी जस्ट थोड़े दिन पहले ही बना था.
जो भी हो. तो
हाँ, anyways.
उसका वो प्लान टूटा.
हाँ, तो ठीक
इसलिए
है.
थोड़ा वी शुड बी ओपन विद द ऑडियंस.
बट फॉर द ऑडियंस मैं फिर भी ये पॉडकास्ट रिकॉर्ड करूंगा.
और कोई चारा नहीं तेरे पास.
हाँ, ठीक है. एनीवेज आज का टॉपिक क्या है आयुष? both of us we have lived in 3 cities, कोलकाता,
सही बात है.
दिल्ली एंड मुंबई. एंड
सही बात है.
व्हाट अ कोइंसिडेंस ब्रो, व्हाट अ कोइंसिडेंस. तीनों सेम
Yeah.
टाइम पे सेम जगह पे थे.
सेम जगह. तू मेरे पीछे कर रहा था बेसिकली.
मैं इसका 1 साल, ये मेरे से 1 साल सीनियर है, तो जहाँ पे ही जाता था उसके अगले साल में पहुँच जाता था. तो बेसिकली सेम ग्रेड.
सेम साल में भी तू इसमें
काइंड ऑफ.
इसमें क्या बोलते हैं बॉम्बे में तो सेम साल में पहुंच गया था.
नहीं अगले साल पहुँचा था, ऑलमोस्ट अगले साल. एनीवेज अबे
हाँ ठीक है. ओके फेयर एनफ.
ठीक है ना. तो ब्रो बहुत डिफरेंस है. बट मैं और तू हमेशा एक बात हमेशा करते हैं आयुष कि यार एकदम सही टाइम पे हमारा शिफ्टिंग हुआ है. तू इसका बहुत बड़ा एडवोकेट है इस बात का कि जितने बार भी हमने शिफ्ट किया उसके आई थिंक 100% पॉजिटिव इफेक्ट्स हैं. 100%. ठीक है, मतलब
अगर नहीं हो तो
हाँ, मतलब सुपरसीड करते हैं नेगेटिव इफेक्ट्स को डेफिनेटली.
एब्सोल्युटली.
And we're going to talk about those effects and how these 3 cities have proven to be different for us. It is not necessarily different, but ये दो हम दोनों इस tangent पे मैच करते हैं और हमने ये एक्सपीरियंस किया है. So we're just talking about our experiences.
Yeah.
So जहाँ से
and we do not look to make any generalizations.
हाँ, definitely.
But this is what it is. What
Yeah,
our experience
exactly.
basically, man.
हाँ, definitely, yeah.
So you start then I'll join.
अच्छा, we started with कोलकाता. ठीक है, मतलब बेसिक our journey started with कोलकाता. I live like मैं जब 8 साल का था तब मैं शिफ्ट हुआ था यहाँ पे. पहले मैं एकदम पश्चिम विहार साइड में दिल्ली में रहता था. ठीक है, फिर मैं कलकत्ता शिफ्ट हुआ एंड थोड़ा कॉन्शियस मतलब होता है ना बच्चा 8-9 साल के बाद ही थोड़ा दिमाग आता है. तो बेसिकली स्टार्ट विद कोलकाता. मी एंड यू बोथ यू वर इन लामा टीनियर. ठीक है, बेकार स्कूल. एंड आई वाज इन हेरिटेज. ठीक है, सो टेल मी अबाउट इट. ठीक है, हाउ was the friendship culture? I understand that you were really small at that moment, but tell me about it कि क्या कहते हैं, हर जगह के दोस्त अलग होते हैं आयुष. मैंने नोटिस किया है स्पेशली इन मुंबई. मुंबई में
Correct.
तेरे जो भी दोस्त होते हैं ना, they're like very very open about their friendship. एंड दिल्ली में इसका उल्टा है आयुष. दिल्ली में क्या है, पीपल लाइक जो फ्रेंड्स हैं तुम्हारे, दे वोंट टेल यू ऑन योर फेस कि हाँ मैं तेरे दोस्त हूँ, लाइक होता है ना. बट मुंबई में एवरी वन इज़ लाइक और भाई हमारी दोस्ती, यू गेट द आइडिया राइट. बट दिल्ली में ऑब्वियसली फ्रेंडशिप इज़ देयर, ठीक है, बट वो तेरे वो मुंह पे कभी फेस पे नहीं बोलते बिकॉज देयर सम ईगो लाइंग बिहाइंड. व्हाट्स योर टेक ऑन दिस?
See, I don't see friendship में I don't know if there is anything because देख friendship में तू भी जानता है it matters on the person. Person to person
Definitely.
it differs person to person. So हाँ, friendship में I don't think the comparison will be really applicable. Because देख friendship में एक बात तो consider करने का है कि हम लोग friendship में we were in different age groups also.
Right.
So for me, I was in Calcutta till what?
12, 13?
6th grade. 6th grade is
11. 11. हाँ.
होगा, I don't know.
हाँ.
I'm not sure.
हाँ.
हाँ अभी 12 में 18 में हो तो 6th में 12, 13 whatever. उसके बाद I came to Delhi, Gurgaon, and stayed till 10th grade, and then I went to Mumbai. So actually, if what I want to talk about is that which we have spoken about also, that we shifted, both of us, because when talking about me or talking about you also, that both of us have shifted the right time based on the places. So if you see Calcutta as a place, it is
Very laid back.
by nature
Chill.
a laid back place.
Yeah.
By nature a very chill place. Which was not the, again, we do not have any facts or something on, because we don't want to present facts.
Right.
We just talk about experiences, good, bad, ugly. So it is by nature a very chilled out place. A chilled out place. By chilled out I do not mean that people don't work. But see, there is a reason why, Sanket, there is a reason why your dad, there's a reason because see, we shifted because of our parents'
work.
jobs.
Yeah.
There's a reason why your dad, there's a reason why my dad all shifted out of this place. There has to be a reason.
Definitely.
So there has to be a reason. So see, by work culture, because see, when I was here till 6th grade, then maybe that work culture wasn't needed for me.
It wasn't needed. You just wanted to, have fun with friends.
I was at the age
दिन
to
भर
have
नीचे
fun
खेलते रहो, yeah.
and family and,
Yeah.
and everything and all that. And that age, वो होता है. So I think it was fun. Then if you look at
There's a reason this place is called the City of Joy, right? By this place I mean Calcutta, because I'm in Calcutta and this guy is in Shantiniketan right now, more or less Calcutta. So yeah, there's a reason. Like people are very chill out here, right? Like you just get the vibe.
So as I was saying, so then I shifted to Gurgaon in
8th grade.
Haryana. The Delhi
7th, 8th.
you can Delhi Gurgaon you can correlate.
Yeah, definitely.
7th grade. So see, Gurgaon and Mumbai, I will say pretty much the same tangent, but again very different from Calcutta. I literally got a culture shock as I went there, because like
Because you were in
it's
I think that is because your school, right?
No. School agreed.
Huh.
But it was chalk and cheese. It was chalk and cheese, man. It was like, the thing is, we went to Gurgaon, in Calcutta. You had people. You had like your friends and everybody from typical Bengali backgrounds. You were like pretty soft spoken. I'll say majority.
Right.
Again,
True.
Majority.
Yeah.
It was brashy in a way.
Yeah.
It was brashy in a way. So you had to, and it was different. First of all, because I had shifted from a boys' school to a co-ed school. Okay, so it took me around 6 months to talk to a girl, because I did not know how to talk to a girl. It was awkward for me. I was sitting and I was seeing a girl sitting next to me and studying in the same classroom. But I was not used to it till that age. But I'm very happy that transformation for me happened, because when you become a 6th, 7th grade, you still have the time to adjust.
Right.
Maybe if I was thrown into the pit, thrown into this world, and also because I'm shifting to somewhere else, subject to a lot of documents which have to get So it will. So okay, by the way, saying that, there's a big surprise coming up for you guys, based on where I'm going.
Please,
So
I just
that-
hope that surprise comes as soon as possible.
No. As soon as that surprise,
Yeah.
that surprise will come.
But I'm
So,
really excited
what
about that though.
Even you will give that surprise in a while.
Uh,
I think.
anyways,
So
so
I think that was the thing, and then see Gurgaon में वो हो गया. So Gurgaon में taught that, and then when I came to when I actually came to Mumbai in 11th and 12th grade, that was a time where I at times started working. I at times started doing small things.
in our last
Talking to
podcast, you told me that we got really enterprising. So I think that is
yeah. The culture was different.
definitely.
So that is what happened there. So
Yeah.
I had good shifts, and I do not think that I would be able to literally be the person. I'm not saying achieving great, but I'd at least learn some skills if I had not shifted to these three places, especially these two places.
100%.
So what is your experience?
Ayush, I cannot agree more, bro. Because see, same goes for me. When I was 11 or 12, I think I was 12 when I shifted to Noida first. Okay, I shifted to Noida before before Gurgaon from Kolkata. So when I was 11, 12, what do you want? You want to go down, play for like 3-4 hours, cricket pura din khelo, right? Come back, spend time with your family. That's it. Like, और क्या करना है ना? School जाओ. That's it. And I mean, that was the best thing that I could do at that point. And Kolkata is the best place you can do. Well, like you can do that, right? In Kolkata. And then I shifted to Gurgaon / Noida / Delhi. कुछ भी बोलो, ठीक है? वहाँ पे like मेरा जो major time निकला, that was 8th, 9th, 10th more or less, है ना? So and at that point, you wanna socialize with people, right? And Delhi, when I'm saying Delhi, I mean Delhi, Gurgaon, Noida, all three. ठीक है? Delhi is a place where people are really outgoing. They wanna socialize a lot, like like party socialize, and that is what a teenager wants, right, Ayush? Like पूरे दिन मजे करो, ठीक है? And I think in my I'm 17 right now, and I think I did not have more fun in any other place but Gurgaon, right? That was really fun. Like पूरा मौज में आ जाओ. Then at the best possible time, when I turned 15, तो मैं 10th के बीच में मैंने शिफ्ट किया था.
16 होगा ना?
15 था मैं. 10th में 15 का. तू शायद तेरा अर्ली एडमिशन होगा. Anyways, तो 15
मेरा सही. तू कौन सी ईयर बॉर्न है?
2004. अरे मैं 19 में
10.
2004 19 में था मैं 10th में, ठीक है? 2019 में शिफ्ट हुआ मैं, ठीक है? सुन मेरी बात सुन. मैं 15 का था. So and 10th होने वाली थी बोझ. So at the right time I shifted to Mumbai, where like everyone wants to work, right? And I wanted that spice in me. You get it? Like I understand that I was like pretty laid back before 10th. I was all into fun and all, but after that, when I came here, I had the same effect. Ayush, not gonna lie, I got really enterprising and all. I wanted to work, like not just waste time. But yeah, I had my laid back version of myself. I had my partying version of myself before coming to this place. So I had a good mix, and that is, I think, what has helped me. And apart from this, Ayush, excellent. Apart from this, now you are going to a place, right? And I might just follow you again. And I think
you will follow me. There's no might in it.
And the best part is, these three cities, they have given me an edge over other people. Usually when people hum college, we basically talk about college, right? So when people go to a new city for college, they're really scared, they're really nervous. But Ayush, I'm pretty sure you're not that nervous if I'm comparing you to other students, right? I think you're not nervous at all.
No. My problem in life is I'm not nervous at times. So I need to be, because nervous is good. Nervous is good. Nervousness is good. Nervousness shows caution and care. But मेरे में वो अभी in a way I'll be putting it very very bluntly out there, and not in a self-pompous way or something, but that nervousness of entering a new social setting has just
reduced significantly, right?
very very much. I do not because see, the thing is, I have met a diverse number of people,
Right.
and it doesn't, to be very honest, because I said, when I see Mumbai mein, it is not that people do not party. It is not that people do
Exactly.
do not go that, but at least there is a how do I put it? There is a general
I'll tell you.
sense of I'll say sense of purpose, and if you see a different level of confidence of people of our age in because see, you are exposed in Mumbai, you're exposed to so much. You literally have the Bollywood here. You literally have you are going to going past through Marine Drive, Bandra West se aage jaake you see the Antilla.
Antilla. Before that, you see pyramids and all.
Antilla.
Everything is there.
Everything is there. So the whole setting is different kind. Mumbai, see, the thing is, what really defines Mumbai's spirit as a city, as a state, is that after the 26/11 attacks happened, okay, after the 26/11 attacks happened, okay, Mumbai has a lot of shortcomings also. It's a very cutthroat place. It is not a place meant for everyone, but you have to have that toughness to survive. So after 26/11 attacks happened, what would you imagine in a place? Ki they will sit around,
Sorrow and all.
deliberate and discuss. The Mumbaikars went to work the next day. All of
Ayush,
them.
I think,
They just went to work.
bro, so important, Ayush. Do you remember that we went, one of our friend, he visited Mumbai, and then there was a driver. I think he was your driver, right? And he told us about the 26/11 attacks. He told us that I asked him, uncle, like 26/11 के बाद हुआ क्या था? So तो मतलब कैसा था, माहौल कैसा था आसपास, क्योंकि he used to drive near that place. So he was like, कुछ नहीं संकेत, आसपास कुछ नहीं था, सब अगले दिन काम पे निकले थे. And he was so casual about that, Ayush. He was so casual. So this defines Mumbai's work culture, definitely.
Mumbai's work culture, Mumbai's culture. If you look at it, and people see, because in Mumbai it is all about economically. If you look at it, there is a lot of demand.
Bro,
And the
I'd like to
supply
cut you
is
here.
less.
I'd like to cut you here, not just money wise. I've seen people not earning a lot of money, but like still they want to work. They want to give their best.
No, I don't think.
You haven't seen anyone?
That is.
I have seen
That
people
I
like
don't
that.
think. If you're not earning money, yeah, you can say if they are earning free में थोड़ी कोई काम करता है.
Of course.
I'm saying that there's a lot of demand to live in Mumbai, but the standard of living might not be the best
Right.
because of your economic condition. Like you see, somebody like in I'll tell you something. In Delhi, my people have एक तो 3 BHK flat होता है, ठीक है. वो अगर मुंबई में किसी के पास है, वो तो कुछ भी मतलब he is So I'm saying it's difficult, but if you can really sustain yourself, it's good. I think हमें main comparison कोलकाता के साथ करना चाहिए, because see, कोलकाता जो मेरा experience है, like when I come back now, it is completely different.
Definitely, bro.
First
of all, Uber का scene बुरा है.
And हाँ, Uber, कलकत्ता में एक भी Uber में AC नहीं है.
AC छोड़, Uber पहुंचता ही नहीं है भाई.
हाँ वो तो तुझे नहीं वो ठीक है. और मतलब see, I'll be talking about the average Indian, and the average Indian is not us. The average Indian is the middle class or the lower middle class group, economic group. So उनके लिए जो गाँव में फैसिलिटीज़ है, तू जानता है, मतलब कलकत्ता में भी है, बस है, मेट्रो है, ट्रेन है, जो भी है. मतलब मैं बॉम्बे में उतरता था मलाड में, और मुझे लिटरली बैंड्रा तक, जो जानते होंगे वो जानते होंगे, बैंड्रा तक ऑटो मिलता था मुझे. टाउन पे तो नहीं मिलता था, ऑब्वियसली टाउन में कैसे ऑटो मिलेगा. बैंड्रा तक ऑटो मिलता था. इधर मुझे 5-10 मिनट जाने के लिए भीख मांगना पड़ता है, दादा
भीख मांगना
चले जाओ, दादा चलो, दादा चलो।
दादा चलो।
और वो भी नहीं जाते, वो भी शेयरिंग में जाते हैं, नहीं तो 180 रुपये ले लेते हैं इतने छोटे डिस्टेंस के लिए।
बेचारे अपनी
200 में
परेशानी को
मैं 200 में मलाड से बैंड्रा तक पहुंच जाता। सो यही डिफरेंस है। और तेरा भी एक स्टोरी है जो तूने मुझे बोला था, अरे वो वाला।
कौन सा वाला?
तेरी सिस्टर ने कुछ ऑर्डर किया था ना कुछ।
अच्छा ब्रो, आई मीन देख
that
देख
tells you the why it is becoming a non-enterprise.
देख, I just tell that story bro, that is so good. ठीक है, I'm gonna tell you. In Calcutta people, you know, they're like so laid back, कभी कभी उनको काम करने का मन ही नहीं करता है. So this is a really funny story. So our fridge, you know, it malfunctioned something. So my cousin sister, she you know called the repair वाला and उन्होंने भेजा किसी को, ठीक है. सो दीदी ने उनको बुलाया एंड वो आए, ठीक है. उन्होंने चेक किया, उन्होंने बोला कि कुछ कुछ लगेगा एंड आपको पैसे दीजिए एंड ले आएंगे. वो गए, 2 दिन हो गए, 3 दिन हो गए, वो आए नहीं, ठीक है. मेरी दीदी ने कॉल करके उन्हें बोला, हाँ दादा कोথায় আছো मीन्स वेयर आर यू. सो एंड ही वाज लाइक, नहीं आसबो, लाइक I won't come at all. I won't come. So my sister was like, क्यों? ठीक है, and I'll just say it in Hindi. So my दीदी was like, क्यों? And वो बोल रहे थे कि क्योंकि मन नहीं है मेरा आने का. मन नहीं है मतलब, कह रहा नहीं बस मन नहीं है. तो देन मेरी दीदी कहती है कि नहीं तो अपने किसी हेड का नंबर दो, मैं कंप्लेन करूँगी. कहते हैं ठीक है, नंबर दे दिया. फिर बोलते हैं कि अपना नाम बताओ. कहते हैं नहीं बताऊँगा. Can you imagine, bro? So this is an example. But Ayush, this is about about the work culture, ठीक है? And you know, I think Calcutta is pretty infamous about this point. You know, I think तूने रे देखा होगा अगर तूने, उसमें भी एक वो एक फेमस एक्टर है, उसका नाम मैं भूल गया. वो कहता है कि तुम जैसे लोगों की वजह से कैलकाटा वालों का नाम बदनाम हो रहा है, हम लेजी नहीं है, बस कामचोर है. ऐसा कुछ उसने बोला था, ठीक है. सो एनीवेज, दिस इज अबाउट द वर्क कल्चर. बट I would like to talk about the attitude towards fights. This is a very interesting topic.
See, it is because see, we will sum up after this.
हाँ.
See, Calcutta people are really passionate people, okay, and they are, and you know they are academically passionate people.
Right.
Again, on a general level, I'm saying, on a general level, I'm saying. So they are up for, and it's an irony. If you have so much fire in your belly, then you should be. But they are what? They're not passionate to work hard. They are passionate to win. That is
those little moments. They're passionate about those little moments.
They are passionate to win that debate on the t-shirt.
Yeah.
They are passionate to win that debate. I'm not saying they're not, but generally speaking, they're very intellectually passionate people. So they are. See, the thing is, they are pretty confrontational, not physically, verbally. Verbally because of the whole Marxist, communist.
And bro, Bengali is a very interesting language. The verbal fight is so pleasing to hear, right? I would like you to talk about what happened in the Mohun Bagan Stadium, if you're fine with that. When he went when he went with an East Bengal fan.
So what had happened? So what had happened with that person was that so he had gone as a so he was so basically East Bengal versus Mohun Bagan is a big rivalry in and it's interesting because authorities should tap into this rivalry and make it a bigger thing, which is they're not doing. So he had gone. So basically you have stands. So you have the East Bengal and the Mohun Bagan stand.
Different stands.
So what happened was that person who we are referring to, who we have beeped in the video, because Sanket has messed it up.
Achha, I get it.
So the person, he had gone with a friend of his, and he was an East Bengal supporter, and he sat in the Mohun Bagan stand. Okay. And now it is by the way, it's very interesting what happens. And they are really passionate people. And when East Bengal scored a goal, he out of natural normal instinct, he
Huh.
shouted.
And he
Then
went
you should have
and he
seen-
went there with a date.
with the person, with the person, with the
I'll
friend,
be
the
that.
friend
I'll be that
friend-
person. So it's cool. It's cool. You can say.
friend who's a girl, yeah, date, I don't know how would I know.
Huh.
So that person, the girl, and the girl was hurled abuses at that's serious. The person was abused like hell, and it became hell, and he was safe because the girl was there. Nobody, अकेला होता तो was there. और वो छोड़ो, people literally used to carry blades.
What?
Blades.
Okay, like
Blade.
the England fans. British.
Blades, and imagine you go in a metro, and if you're the fan, they just bump them
Wow.
when you're leaving the metro. क्या होता है? Rush होता है ना? Just
हाँ.
काट के निकल जाते हैं.
Damn.
Yeah. So that is the passion they have, but as I said, no real. If you just see the youth
हाँ.
there, मतलब our age.
हाँ.
It is so different. It is so different.
Hmm.
The directness, the willingness. It is disturbing, and because Calcutta was actually a place where it was a hub of all financial. It was a financial hub for
Hmm.
country.
Hmm.
So for it to transform like this, it's sad, but that is the reality. Again, it has its own charm. But I'll say I'm thankful that I've gone and had the exposure.
Right.
And I think this is the best way to end this, that we have had the exposure of Gurgaon and Mumbai, and we know
Right.
that what life ahead, because as you must be knowing, again, it is not that the guy who right now is going from Calcutta to work somewhere will not succeed.
Definitely.
she will.
Definitely.
But I feel we have that given edge.
Hmm.
To adjust to cultures. What do you think?
I 100% agree with you because Ayush, as you said कि लोग मुंबई में भी पार्टी करते हैं, मुंबई में भी
हाँ.
चिल करते हैं, लेकिन I often see this कि जो पार्टी करते हैं वो सिर्फ पार्टी करते हैं, जो चिल करते हैं लाइक किसी से इंटरेक्ट नहीं करना, वो सिर्फ चिल करते हैं, एंड जो पढ़ाई करते हैं, जो वर्क करते हैं, वो सिर्फ वर्क करते हैं. बट we're so privileged. I cannot emphasize on this further, but we're so privileged to have, we have lived in Calcutta, we have lived in Delhi before, and now we have a great mix. So we can enjoy all these three things,
And
then-
take it to somewhere else.
and then in future take it to somewhere else. so-
I hope in the near future.
I hope. We
For
hope.
me.
Definitely.
Chalo.
All right.